Tired of weak sound and outdated features every time you drive? The right car stereo can upgrade your ride with crystal clear audio, seamless Bluetooth connectivity, and smarter entertainment. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best car stereos worth considering. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Pioneer Car Stereo. The Pioneer Car Stereo is a smart upgrade for drivers who want modern connectivity without overcomplicating their dashboard. Its seamless Bluetooth functionality makes hands-free calling smooth and reliable, while wireless music streaming works effortlessly with both Android and iPhone devices. Audio quality is a standout feature thanks to the built-in MOSFET amplifier, delivering up to 50 watts per channel for clear highs, balanced mids, and punchy bass across 4 speakers. Music lovers will appreciate the front USB input, which supports high-quality formats like FLAC alongside MP3 and WMA, ensuring detailed playback from digital libraries. The compact 1DIN design with a super short chassis makes installation easy, even in vehicles with tight dash space. Simple sound customization is another plus, with dedicated direct EQ keys allowing quick adjustments to bass, treble, and balance. Overall, this Pioneer Stereo combines power, clarity, and ease of use, making it an excellent everyday choice for drivers who value reliable performance and clean sound. Number 2. Pioneer MVH S230BT Car Stereo. The Pioneer MVH S230BT Car Stereo is designed for drivers who want dependable Bluetooth connectivity and versatile media playback in a straightforward package. Built-in Bluetooth allows for convenient hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, helping you stay focused on the road while enjoying your favorite playlists. The front USB input adds flexibility, letting you connect smartphones, USB drives, or MP3 players for direct music playback or quick charging. This receiver supports a wide range of audio formats, including MP3, WMA, AC, and WAVE, ensuring compatibility with almost any digital music collection. One of its standout features is Pioneer's advanced sound retriever technology, which intelligently enhances compressed audio files by restoring lost details, resulting in clearer and more dynamic sound. With its clean interface and reliable performance, the MVH S230BT is ideal for daily driving. Number 3. Pioneer DMH 130BT Car Stereo. The Pioneer DMH 130BT Car Stereo brings a modern infotainment experience to your vehicle with its large 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen and sleek design. Built-in Bluetooth allows for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, while on-screen controls make managing calls and playlists simple and intuitive. This model stands out with Amazon Alexa integration through the Voxis and WebLink apps, giving you voice control access to music, navigation, weather updates, and more. Customization is another strong point, offering multiple display colors, over 100 illumination options, and the ability to personalize background images to match your car's interior. The DMH 130BT is also rear-view camera capable, adding extra safety and convenience when parking or reversing. With its digital media focus, responsive touch interface, and smart features, this Pioneer Stereo is perfect for drivers who want a connected, tech-forward driving experience without stepping into high-end pricing. Number 4. Alpine Car Stereo. The Alpine Car Stereo is built for drivers who prioritize sound quality and reliable smartphone integration in a clean, mechless design. As a digital media receiver, it eliminates moving parts while offering AM/FM tuning with RBDS information for enhanced station details. Music playback is flexible and high quality, supporting FLAC, MP3, and WMA files through the USB input for crisp and accurate sound reproduction. Designed to work seamlessly with both iPhone and Android devices, it supports iPod and iPhone connectivity as well as Android AOA 2.0 compatibility. The stereo also integrates with Pandora Music, allowing easy access to personalized stations directly from your phone. Alpine's reputation for audio engineering is evident in the balanced sound output and dependable performance. This unit is an excellent choice for drivers who want a simple yet premium listening experience, focusing on audio clarity, smartphone compatibility, and long-term reliability rather than flashy extras. Number 5. Sony Car Stereo. The Sony Car Stereo delivers a well-rounded entertainment experience, combining classic features with modern connectivity. Built-in Bluetooth supports hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, making daily driving safer and more convenient while offering easy pairing and intuitive controls. Music playback is enhanced with full support for artist, album, and song browsing, ensuring smooth navigation through your library. SiriusXM readiness expands entertainment options even further, giving access to over 140 channels of commercial-free music, sports, news, and exclusive talk programming with a compatible tuner. For drivers who still enjoy physical media, the built-in CD player is a welcome addition, offering versatility that many modern units lack. The AM/FM radio with RDS provides useful broadcast information, such as station details and song data. Thanks for taking the time to explore these car stereo options. Each model brings its own strengths, from sound quality to smart features and ease of use. Choose the one that fits your driving style and enjoy a better, more connected audio experience on every journey.